Have you ever walked under trees older than your country? Welcome to pure nature. Welcome to Armstrong Redwoods. This is not just a forest, this is pure nature. Tall, silent, ancient. Just wind, just birds, just pure nature. No city sounds. Yes, you may see deer, you may see squirrels, you may even see banana slugs on the ground. The walking trails are soft and shaded. Benches are placed for rest, perfect for seniors, perfect for families. I suggest wear good walking shoes while I'm walking. The ground is soft but a little uneven. You'll find signs near trees. They tell stories, their names, their ages, like the Colonel Armstrong Tree. It is over 1,400 years old. This tree is the heart of the park. It's pure nature at its strongest. Morning is best time to visit it. It's quiet, cool, and the sunlight comes through the trees like magic. This place is picture perfect. Take photos, but don't climb or touch the bark. Restrooms and parking are available. There's no entrance fee to walk in. There's a small fee for cars. The air is fresh, so clean. It feels like you're breathing pure nature. Did you know redwoods drink fog? They pull water from the sky, not just the ground. They live longer this way. Smart trees. Take your time here. Pure nature lives slow. Walk slowly. Listen. Look up. You'll feel peace. You can sit on a bench. Close your eyes. You are inside pure nature now. I suggest bring water with you and a light jacket. It can be cool even in summer. You can pick up a trail map near the entrance. Try the Pioneer Trail. It's flat and short, easy for everyone. Well, this is not a zoo, not a theme park. No loud voices, just whispering tears. Sorry, whispering trees. This is pure nature. As you leave, try to look back. Look back once more. Thank the forest. It stood here before us, and we hope it stays forever. If you want beauty, peace, and stillness, come walk with the giants. Come walk in the pure nature. Come to Armstrong Redwoods. It's worth a visit. You know, the tallest tree over here is around 310 feet high. That's like a 30-story building made by nature. I was just wondering. It's a beautiful place. It's a must visit when you are in California.